Question 2.3. The student found that the coloured liquid moved 1.5 centimetres in 24 hours. The diameter of the lumen of the capillary tubing was 1 millimetre. The volume of capillary tubing is given by pi r squared L, where pi is 3.14 and L equals the length. Calculate the volume of gas produced in centimetre cubed per hour and show your working. So we are using the equation that they have given us in the question, which is the pi r squared L, and we're looking for any information that they have in the question. So they tell us that pi is 3.14. So you can also use the pi button on your calculator. So we're given pi, r, we're given in the question as 1 millimetre for the diameter. Therefore, if the diameter is 1 millimetre, then the radius would be half of this, which is 0.5. What we then need to do is convert that into centimetres, because they've given us the capillary tubing measurement as millimetres, but in terms of our answer, they want it in units of centimetres per hour. So in order to convert it from millimetres into centimetres, there are 10 millimetres in 1 centimetre. So your 0.5 millimetres will become 0.05 centimetres. The L we are also given in the question because they tell us that it has moved 1.5 centimetres in the 24 hours. So in order to calculate this, we then need to do our pi 3.14 times by the radius squared, which is 0.05 squared, because the diameter is 1, so therefore the radius is 0.5, and we're converting our millimetres into centimetres by dividing it by 10, which will give us our 0.05, and that should be squared. We are then multiplying that by the length, which is the 1.5 centimetres. And then in order to calculate the volume produced per hour, we are given how much is produced in 24 hours, so we would need to divide our answer by 24. And that should give us an answer of 4.9 times 10 to the minus 4 for 2 marks. They will give you credit for your working, so it is always worth showing your working, because if there is an incorrect answer, but you've shown that you've divided by the 24 hours, then you can receive 1 mark. Or if it's incorrect, but you've shown a number from 1,175 to 1,178, that will also give you 1 mark. And an incorrect answer, but shows the number 49, but that any position of the decimal point or any standard form incorrect would also give you 1 mark.